Alright, welcome traders. This is Patrick from Trading123.net. In this video, we're going to talk about the day's trades here on Friday, May 6, 2022. We're trading the ES with the AutoTrader here. And as you see on this chart, we got stopped out. That's a little graphic I put on the chart. It's not part of the Ninja software. We were trading 3 contracts, stop of 24, goal 800, loss of 4. Basically, AutoTrader, this is when we started it here. And it got long. It was in the money. First profit target, second profit target. Second profit target was over 5 points, 5.5 points. First profit target was 3 points. Then we got stopped out. We're still in the profit, and then this little move here stopped us out. It got short, and then it decided to reverse, and we hit our max loss. We got a small loss, 400, where other vendors will show their software and they don't even have a stop loss. You can't trade like that. And the next thing you know, they're down $3,000. Oh, something went wrong. Duh. If it's not working right, you got to cut your losses and move on. So with an AutoTrader, it's not a black box system. With the volatility in the market, you are going to have losses. Nothing's guaranteed to be 100% in all your trading. And this is a loss we started on our first trade of the day. Usually on Fridays I don't start trading till after 10. I got a late start here, a little later than I wanted, and so we got caught up in some sideways action, or there could have been some news here. Biden could have said something, who knows, so they do happen and you just have to deal with it. So you have to take a step back, take a pause, don't rush right in and try to revenge trade. You got to get back on the horse and ride it again after getting stopped out. So we give the market, some room to, move out, establish the trend, and we go for one more trade. And we'll see let's look at the next trade here. So here we wait, and then we trade in the power hour, which is after 11. And the market was starting to trend up, so we had our trend filter on. So we started it right around just before this screenshot here was in an uptrend. So it doesn't show when I started it, but regardless, the trend filter did not take a trade because it was in this long trade, and then it didn't take the short trade. In the trend filter you can shut off right here, but the trend was up, so why would you want to do that? If it keeps going higher, that means the trend's up. If it keeps going lower and having pullbacks, the trend's down. Not that hard to figure out. So it gets long here. We're still trading the same amount, same stop loss, same goals. Or no, wait, the stop we did raise. Hang on, let me look. Yeah, the stop loss here I had before was 24, so we're still trading 3 contracts, and the goals are the same, but I raised the stop to 30. So a little more room to breathe, a little more room for movement with a higher stop. That is, it's gonna, if I'm trading 3 contracts, it's gonna hit my stop loss before it takes out a full 30 ticks. So my loss goal will get taken out first before the 30 tick stop. But anyways, the market is trending up, so up we go here in an uptrend. First contract's in, and we move up. It gets out at 3 points, and then another 5 points, and up we go. And the last contract's the runner, and boom, we hit our max daily gain, shy of commission, 775. So we got a bounce back play from our stop that we had earlier. And as you see, the trail stop kicks in here and moves up and protects our profit as the price is going higher. So let's look at the performance on this trade. So here's the strategy performance. Total net profit $775.26. Commission $12.24. Did a total of 3 trades and they were all long. Largest winner $258. Potential profit on a 30-day basis for the month is $23,600. So that was our bounce back play of the day. On the ES, the market's in wider ranges and we got a nice quick profit on this trade. It lasted, from when it triggered to where it hit its goal was only a couple minutes. And those are your best ones. So we decided to do one more trade here on this Friday as the market, trended up some more, and we never jump right back into a trade right after a trade. We wait a good 10 to 20, 30 minutes for the patterns to readjust itself as chart patterns repeat. And so you have your patterns and timing patterns. And so just before noon, the market here's more likely going to see us some profit taking because most traders are going to leave on Friday. So regardless, we start the auto trader here when I was in an uptrend, and that's what you do. Start it in an uptrend or downtrend. So if I started it here, would have caught this trend change, and boom. So that's the way we do it. And we're using the same stop of 30, and here the market goes in, hits a high, trails down, and short triggers. And we're using our same profit target, 12 ticks, and the next one's off at like 26 ticks, or just a little over 6 points, 6.5 points, and then our last runner hits our max gain, and that puts us in the max goal field, and the trade's over with, and our day's done trading, going into noon here, and more than likely the market's going to go sideways. So we had, this trade was 3 trades, 100% winners. Overall in the day on the ES, our first trade got stopped out, and then we had 2 winners after that. So as I said with the auto trader, it's not a black box system. It's not going to constantly produce 100% winners. The more you trade, the more you risk. Just so happened, like that song, we were in the right place but at the wrong time, and we got stopped out. That's all you can do. You can't analyze and overanalyze it. Look at every damn stochastic or whatever you want to look at indicator. It doesn't matter. You just got stopped, and you got to get back in and then wait for the software to do its work, get you in a trade, and then ride the trends till your goals hit. So here's our strategy performance during this trade. $787.76 is what we got. $12 in commission. 3 trades, and it was a short trade. Largest winner was $370, which is nice. And potential profit on a 30-day basis is $24,000 for 30 days. And that's on that nice short. So I hope you enjoyed the video here, and I hope I explained what happens when you get stopped out. Just got to get right back in. And more than likely that erratic move there was probably due to some type of news event, going on in the world right now. So be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel here and like us on Facebook and Twitter for some more trading tips. Till next time, we'll see you in the next video.